Hello folks, today I'm going to show you a video for a 2015 Georgetown motorhome with 2 slide outs. It's not a lot of room here, so I'm going to go around the other way. Let's see if I can get you a better picture. Here it is. Model number is going to be 335. And has an outside TV right in here, trust me. Just don't have the keys to open up and hold the phone at the same time. Nice swinging doors, rotor cast compartments, and let's see, look at that, really nice 5500 watt on generator with 2 air conditioners. Going in, which is the best part, has a Dream dinette, which means no poles. You just click and drop. L-shaped sofa. Very nice kitchen. Hard surface countertops. And a French door refrigerator. This is a residential type with a water dispenser. Fireplace, television. This part turns into a bed, and this is supposed to be right here, so that goes this way. So here's that, and let me turn around again, go towards the bedroom. It's a queen bed, and if I go here, I will show you that it has lots of storage, television as well, and a lot of drawers. This bathroom is, let's see if I can turn the lights on. Here we go. Nice big shower, decent counter space, porcelain toilet, lots of room for a big guy. This unit has the Arctic package, which means heated tanks. Moving back here, I'm going to show you, this is pretty cool, I liked it. These are drawers that come out. They're actually in both, up and down. Those are pretty nice. The seats here, literally brand spanking new. This has 3 cameras. It's the backup camera screen, stereo, let's see, and one, and the left, here we go. This unit has 34,000 miles, and auto leveling jacks right there. Not much to it. It has a very nice shade. See that? Also, the side ones are pulled down, but they're pulled down roll-up shades, not a curtain. These are, look at that, these are dual pane windows. So it's a big deal, makes it quiet. And there she is, folks. Very nice. 2 air conditioners, 50 amp service, 2 ACs. Like I said, with a big generator. Everything you need. Low miles. Come and see us. First come, first serve. Thank you.